Once upon a time I told my heart I'd try to find someone special, someone who'd never let go, a lover and a friend. From the moment I laid eyes on you, I knew that I was looking at my forever. And so I surrendered and gave my heart to you. No one really knows the reason why the story goes the way it does. Sometimes no one understands, no one controls a hand that writes a book of love. We see every line starts with a blank page. Hello and what's your name? Some call it a fool's game. Never met you. Sometimes the ink fades, sometimes hearts change. But what a story love makes when it's true. Every now and then, you know, this life I live can leave me feeling just a little crazy. But knowing you're there, baby, turns everything around. Just the thought of you and me being at home, wrapped up together, takes away whatever has been keeping me down. No one really knows the reason why the story goes the way it does. Sometimes no one understands, no one controls a hand that writes a book of love. See every line starts with a blank page. Hello and what's your name? Some call it a fool's game. I've never met you. Sometimes the ink fades, sometimes hearts change. What a story love makes when it's true. Starts with a blank page. Hello, what's your name? What a story love makes when it's true. My story is you.